Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is the leather briefcase by Indian Hando Art. I really think it's beautiful, it's really unique and well made, and I want to show you inside of it.
This is a great leather briefcase that looks really sleek. It's a perfect size. You can fit a lot of folders in here, a laptop, anything you need to. It's got a lot of space. I also like that for security, these are buckle straps. So if maybe you're taking a really valuable laptop and you don't want someone to easily be able to snatch it out of your bag, I like that this has buckles. So here you can see inside, it's got this nice canvas material lining, and you can fit folders. Here I have a big laptop, fits perfectly, and I still have extra space. You have lots of zippers and pockets inside, so plenty of ways to stay organized inside this bag. And then when you are ready to close it, you just buckle it up again. So this does take a little more time than maybe say a snap button, but like I said, for security, you just really can't beat your peace of mind that nobody's gonna be able to take anything out of your bag when you're not looking. It also has really well-made hardware and a nice strap that's also adjustable depending on if you like it crossbody or you like it shorter.
So this is a great leather briefcase at a really great price. It's really nice, it's beautiful, unique, and it can fit everything you need inside. I think you're gonna like it, but that's just my point of view.